Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop in front of part number 273124, Inboard shock relocation and traction bar kit for first-gen Camaro and Firebird, 1967 through 1969. The UMI engineers really hit it out of the park with this one. It solves a number of common problems when building your first-gen. The upper mount here that goes under the trunk floor is width adjustable, the shock mount. So you can adjust the width so it fits all the different variations of the body and chassis. You can actually use a double shear shock mount or standard style shock mount with 5 inches of lateral adjustment. What happens there is you can move everything inboard to clear larger tires, or you can adjust the shock location to fit multiple exhaust styles, etc. The lower mount, in this case, has double shear for the shock and also double shear for the traction bars. So the traction bar system is race proven on both our second and first gen Camaros. Here's the traction bar rods themselves. It comes with all of the necessary hardware, including the rockers and snubbers, and also the front leaf spring mount. Nice, fresh, heavy duty front leaf spring mount to take care of those rusted ones that are probably in your first gen. So this is going to allow you to run bigger tires, launch, no wheel hop, dead hook in some cases, just a great made in USA solution for your first gen Camaro and Firebird. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.